School starts today, so those are the students. They are going to school. So school starts today. The students are going to school. Can you guys see? They are rushing to school. Okay. Carol. Can you guys see them? Bonjour. Ẹ káàárọ̀ ma. Yes ma. Gileji. Adelivi. Cho. Ai ganja. Ah, okay. Mas deu saque mena ué. Okay, Alma. She's packing her lunch. So he have Gary. Once he gets to the school, he will buy beans. He'll buy beans and used to eat it. Anita mas deu saque me. Se deu saque me. Tá weird. Bonjour. Guys, look at this little boy. He's going to school as well. I'm asking how come he doesn't have a uniform. Oh my goodness, look at this little boy. He's going to school himself and he's going to come back himself. Hey, if he's UK, look at this is baby now. I'm sure he will still be in nursery or maybe he'll be in year 1. He still needs parents or guardians to take him. But now look. See? This is why they have so many children. They don't feel it because these children are very, there's no rules like, oh, your child can't go out themselves. Can you guys see that little child? Wow. Good morning. Bonjour. That's one of my cousins, my uncle's, one of my uncle's oldest son. This one they will soon finish and start university. Ẹ káàárọ̀. Káàárọ̀. So guys, the student has gone to school. I want to go and take my bath, and I rub toothpaste on my face, and I want to show you guys something quickly. Let me put this down. I want to show you guys one thing. So here there's a leaf here, this leaf. When I was growing up, this is what we use as tissue. Anytime we enter the bush, we enter the bush to use the toilet. Is that toilet in the bush? Okay, let me put it the way I will understand it. It will be easier for me to say, and you guys will be easier for you to understand. Anytime we enter the bush to poo-poo, to open bowel, to do number 2, this is what we use to clean where the bowel normally come out from, where the poo-poo normally come out from, where the number 2 normally come out from. This is what we use. This particular one, I forgot the name. Let me ask my mom the name. Jano, nekono yulo amayodo. Adagbara lugabi nekono yulo. Adagbara. Oh, agatu. Yes, agatu. We not do. Then me dey vie. We me not sun you na na me yemi. Yes, I told my mom when we were little, this is what we use. My mom said, of course, the people are still using up to today. So this is among all the leaves on the bush, guys. This is serious matter. Among all the sorry, I'm not naked. I'm wearing this wrapper. I want to go and take my bath. Among all the leaf in the bush, this is what we use. This is what we use to clean where the poo-poo normally come out from. Yeah, not the other side. Like here, you do like this. Can you guys see? Let me put my phone down. Can you guys see? We use it after you pull. You do like this. You clean it. So that's what we do. Yeah. This one, you have one kind of smell. Like it smells a bit, it's similar, a tiny bit similar to rub. This is it. This is it. This, not this one, so this one, this particular one. Can you guys see? This particular one is the one we use. Okay, let's see again. Okay, and that is the house there. They fixed the kind of the door and some of the windows there, but they haven't finished because I've not finished buying the doors. And I don't know, is the lighting good? I'm trying to stay where the lighting is better. They've not, you guys just manage the lighting, okay? And as I said, I think I showed you guys one of the video. They fixed the window and they fixed some of the windows and they fixed some of the doors. Like this window now, they haven't fixed it. There are still some door inside the main house that we haven't fixed because I run out of cash. I don't have enough money to buy the remaining doors and the remaining window. So later when God provide it for me, I'll buy it and they'll fix it. Because before I came, I told my cousin to find out how much it will be to buy all the doors, all the windows. I'm trying to get a good lighting. I'm coming. Okay, yeah, this is better. So before I came, I think I like this one better. I told my cousin to find out the price for the door, how many doors in the house, how many windows. And my cousin find out, I think 2 weeks before I came home. And after we went there, and only for, so I have the cash. Everything is, the doors and the windows, everything is about 378,000 safer. Do you understand? So when I was coming from Lagos, Nigeria. I think you guys have seen it in one of the video you guys watch. Those of you that you are consistent watching my videos or you keep up with the videos, you would have seen that I exchanged a 400,000. Yeah, about 400,000. So I have like 400,000 CFA. So that we'll go there to buy the doors. But by the time we got there, everything has gone up again. Everything has gone up. Can you guys imagine? So what's now happened? We bought, I think there's still 3 doors. I think maybe there's 2 doors left and 3 windows. So we have to leave some of the thing and buy the one that the money will be able to reach, like our budget, because I didn't know it was 378,000 safer, they said. But by the time we got there, everything has gone up. You guys, everything is going up. So I could only buy what that money could reach, and we have to pay for the taxi that will deliver it, all that. So that was what happened. That's why I have not finished buying. Let's say I've finished buying the doors, they will have finished fixing the door, and we'll know that that one is out of it. Do you guys understand? But they are going to now I don't know when are they going. They are going to start digging the hole for the toilet and the bathroom, so that with the sand that they will use to dig, we'll use it to finish the flooring or something like that. It's still a lot of work, and this is money talking. Money, dear. So anyway, let me go and take my bath. I'm gonna do one video. I'm gonna do one video with my mom. I'm gonna do one video with my mom today. After I finish taking my bath, I want her to take her bath. This video is very important. She must do this video with me. Okay, let me go and take my bath. I'll see you guys.